Hello friends, I am CA Rohit Garg. Friends, today topic is very important and relating to the message and email coming to the client for high value transaction. Friends, if the fact of your case of your client are similar to the fact of this video, then it is very important to correctly answer, correctly feedback the AI information so that the risk of the assessment become less and less. Friends, if the fact of this of your case are similar to this video or my client and you not go by the answer, you not choose to not answer this email or high value transaction e-campaign of the income tax department, your risk of assessment proceeding becomes very high. Friends, what is the fact of the case? Friends, in the metro cities, we see there are so many high-rise buildings, and the clients book their flat, commercial shops, etc. in these buildings, and year to year you make certain payments or sometimes take the loan, and after 5 to 6 years, maybe after 10 years, the builder offer the possession and the client get the registry of the property. The income tax department get the information of this transaction in the year in which the client got registry of this property. Now it is come to in the mind of the income tax department, because as usual we have already discussed in our previous video कि income tax department doesn't inquire, doesn't obtain the registry of the assessee and simply send the notice and also disregard the reply of the assessee and open the reassessment. Friend, in the case you can see the property of about 1 crore 5 lakh has been purchased by client as per the income tax. Friend, in this case, this property has been booked by my client 5 years before and he makes certain payment year to year, and also the 1 crore 5 lakh transaction is not the uh, amount which has been paid by my client, because at the time when my client booked the property, the circle rate of this area is very less. However, due to the urbanization and the development of this area, the circle rate become more than 30 to 40% of booking amount of my client. Now it is very important to reply this is high value transaction, to reply the AIR information, so that ki the income tax department get to know ki how much amount we have invested in which year. So the department compare my income which my investment in respective years. So friend, we will discuss how to reply these notices. Friend, first you have to obtain the necessary data from your client year wise. You can obtain the statement of builder. Many builder provide the statement to their client at the time of registry, or you can ask your client ki what is the amount, total amount you have paid and date on which you have paid the amount. Then you are required to make the year wise reconciliation details of the amount paid by the your assessee, and so you can reply effectively. Friends, now we go to the income tax portal of our client and go to pending action and go to the compliance portal. In the compliance portal, you find e-verification. In the compliance portal, also e-verification also there. You should choose e-campaign. Now e-campaign option, you find the transaction or you find the messages sent by the income tax department and which has not been replied by you. You find pending. Now provide feedback. यानी कि feedback means you are providing the feedback, the query raised by the income tax department. Friend, here you find the purchase, same detail of the purchase of immovable property, and also when you click here, you will get the detail of the property. Now it is expected. Expected मतलब कि what is your मतलब expected reply by the income tax department. So friends, in such case, as we have already discussed, the amount invested by the client in different years. So we will choose choose the option information related to the other pen or years. Friends, one thing or also there, this property all purchased by two persons, one my client and another his brother, yani ki they are the two co-owner of this property. But due to the information sent by the registrar, the whole amount come to the my client login. Now first we will discuss self, yani कि how much amount has been invested my client, then we select the year. As you already know कि we have told you have to make the reconciliation year wise, and then you choose the year and put the amount here. As usual, you choose the year again, and in which in how many years you have made the payment, you should be described there. Secondly, as I already told कि this amount 50% amount belong to my client's brother, then you can choose other person, enter their pen of their brother, and you choose the relationship and you put the amount here. यानी कि how much in 1 crore 5 lakh, how much the part of your brother should be put here. Now it this information goes to the income tax department, and when the income tax department see your case, he come to know that ki in 1 crore 5 lakh 50% to your brother, and most of the amount have been paid by the assessee in different assessment year. So it very likely your case may not be choose for assessment, yani the risk of assessment become very low. So friends, I end my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.